Okay, we've cut the mouth down, so the mouth will fit in there. We've cut it down back here because we want to be in forward of that hole there. So the other thing we got to work on is cutting the mouth down in here so we can get it to open and close properly. And with that, I'll use my Dremel. And we're going to use this cutting round and then the sander to sand it. Cut this down quite a bit, so now we want to sand this down and sand it down back here, and then we'll check our fit. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So we'll work on that and then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.